Are you looking for the best HID conversion kit? In this video, we will break down the top 4 HID conversion kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Innovited HID Bundle with Slim Ballast Xenon Bulb. This Xenon HID lights will be the one last thing you would require to change the look of your car. This conversion kit from Innovited is one of the most simple and therefore efficient kits to install in your desired choice of vehicle. This package comes with a total of 4 parts: 2 ASIC ballasts, HID xenon bulbs, wiring harnesses, and mounting brackets. This kit makes it a complete package for people who do not want to gather stuff from their hardware store and need a plug-and-play HID system for their automobiles. Waterproof ballasts are a must for any HID conversion kit as they lay low on the bumper of your car and hence are in constant contact with water and moisture. Not only waterproof, these are one of the best HID conversion kits, hence they are also dustproof, shockproof. These properties make them usable under any weather conditions and assure that these Xenon HID lights stay usable for a long time. The all bulb sizes and colors means it, literally. This product gives you a chance to choose from over 11 different color choices and more than 20 size options. At number 2. Morimoto Elite HID Kit System. The Morimoto Elite systems have earned their reputations among many as the aftermarket's best set of HIDs. Amateurs can easily install its HID systems with ease. The company has produced high-quality beams and kits versions available at the range of 35W to 55W capacity. The kit is packaged with a high-quality H115500K. Morimoto bulbs are compatible with almost any car wiring due to their double relay harness. It has one of the most comfortable plug-and-play interfaces. Moreover, Morimoto offers extended warranties in the market. You get 5 years warranty for 35W ballast bulb XB35 and 3 years warranty for 55W ballast bulb XB55. So you can replace the bulb if it goes faint even after 3 years. User satisfaction with all kind of cars and trucks is guaranteed. If you want a long-lasting HID light, don't settle for a cheaper HID set out in the market. For having a good quality product, check out the Morimoto HID kit. The Morimoto system and its HD relay harness is a great product that suits most types of automobiles. Buyers can choose its size and color layout of bulbs, which varies from 3000K to 6000K alternative. But the installation requires 20 to 30 minutes whether by a professional or another person. This product is excellent. It has 45 customer reviews on Amazon, with a lot of positive reviews. On average, it has Amazon star ratings of 4.0 out of 5 stars. This product has a top-notch quality and improved performance. This system has a negative aspect too: it is more costly compared to conventional HID kits. The product comes with high-quality materials, but it can deliver a low performance after a while. Xenon bulbs have guaranteed maximum luminosity, beam steadiness, but its durability could be better. Morimoto provides a Canbus harness alternative, allowing it to be configured correctly in some of the problematic automobiles. At number 3. Marsauto HID Headlight Bulbs. Could it be that your applications demand extreme power? Try these Marsauto HID headlight bulbs. In all, the HID headlight bulbs have the ability to give off the cool white 6000K of output. It is filled with high-purity xenon gas that is inert and produces less hot temperatures. The bright, white bulb that emanates from the HID headlight bulbs on your car is a sight to behold. They are much more powerful than stock halogen bulbs and can last up to 5 times longer too. What's best about these lights, though? They're compatible with most cars. The headlights are surrounded by an aluminum housing that is coated with a special anti-UV coating. This keeps the light cool and working as it should, making your car safer on unlit roads or in foggy conditions. Not all of the HID bulbs can keep working when the engine overheats, and this is thanks to their insulation system. With this headlight bulb, you are sure to accrue over 5,000 hours of brilliant continuous output. Their quick replacement system allows you to do so in only 5 minutes, and it eliminates most error codes. If you're looking for the best HID kits, then these are the ones to go with. At number 4. HID Canbus Slim Digital HID Ballast. This digital kit fits just about any vehicle and will give you an effortless time to install. It boasts a fast start function, getting to 80% brightness in just 2 seconds and full brightness in 3 seconds. That is way better than what many ballasts of its class offer. The system comes with 2 bulbs, among other accessories. The light produced by the bulb is incredible, and you can depend on it to brighten your way in low light situations. You do not need a professional or to be one to make sure everything is fitted correctly. To install this ballast, you plug and play. It is a standard ballast perfectly suitable for general decoder upgrading from halogen lamps to xenon. In addition, it is compatible with up to 90% of cars, including Porsche and Jeep Wrangler. This product also lasts an incredible 35,000 hours. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.